Here are my U.S. market trades this week. One of the options I was assigned was a CleanSpark put. I was meaning to roll this option, but amid the start of my holiday in Indonesia, I didn't get around to it. I had previously had an options assignment for this stock and had sold call options which also expired Friday. I have now sold another round of 10x calls at 9 strike, April 29th expiration, for 230 Singapore dollars net. This US 0.172 per share for a 1-month expiry represents an annualized 28.7% yield. After my Alphabet calls expired, I sold calls again at 185 US dollars at 24 cents per share with 1-month expiry for net value of 33 Singapore dollars. This represents an annualized yield of 1.8% on current share price. Alphabet, like other Mag 7s, has pulled back from its peak. While I tend to be a skeptic regarding tech valuations, I can get comfortable with Alphabet, Microsoft, and Amazon at the right price, particularly when Alphabet is trading at just 10.5 times forward EBITDA. After my Microsoft puts at $325 expired, I sold puts again at $360 at a 104 per share with 1-week expiry for net value of 138 Singapore dollars. This represents an annualized yield of 14.3% on current share price. While Microsoft is still not cheap, I would be okay to own it if the price dips lower. I have reset my strike from 375 before to 360 now. The 360 represents a 14% discount to the lowest current analyst target price and a 29% discount versus the average. I also sold another round of Constellation Brands puts at US $165 with 1-month expiry at US $2.50 per share, or net value of 668 Singapore dollars. This represents an annualized yield of 15.9% to current share price. Constellation Brands has taken a dip recently, although the business appears solid, with continuing growth in both revenue and EPS. Warren Buffett has been acquiring this stock, which is now 11.2x forward EBITDA. I rolled my Amazon puts to an expiry of April 4th for net value of Singapore dollars 244. This equates to another US dollar 0.91 per share for 1-week roll, equivalent of an annualized yield of 24.6% on the current share price. Amazon is now trading at just 12.4x forward EBITDA, despite the continued strong growth in both revenue and earnings. The current price is the lowest, relative to analyst average target prices. It has been for the past year. I also rolled my DraftKings puts a week for net value of 450 Singapore dollars. This equates to another US $0.67 per share for 1-week roll, equivalent of an annualized yield of 98.7%. If you would like to gain access to all my trades as soon as I have executed them and see all of my current positions, you can subscribe at jonathanfine.com.